I'm back. Ipek's Wicked Kitchen. Remember, subscribe to my channel so you can watch each time that I post my videos. Today, another great recipe that I have. It's called chicken cheese crust marinara. So basically, you have the boneless, skinless chicken breast, which I beat it down a little bit, and then I spiced it, seasoned with basic Italian seasoning, oregano, garlic, salt and pepper, paprika. And I have 2 eggs with the water mix, maybe like 2 tablespoons water and 2 eggs, mix it. We're gonna dredge it. 2 wash we have, one which normally today is not our keto, today is only low carb, so we got like maybe 10-15 grams. But if you split the 2-3 people between, it's still a very low carb Italian panko seasoning, bread crumbs. So we're going to bake them in the air fryer. No deep fry, no nothing. Just watch what I do. I'm going to wash my breast, not my breast literally, my chicken breast, and then we're gonna put it in our breading. So that looks pretty good. Like I said, I'm only doing it like a small breading. I don't want to super bread it. Again, same style, technique. Bread it. And these, like, you can do with the steak too. You know, get yourself a nice steak. And here's, but that will do. And if we run out, we run out, because I really don't want to eat a lot of carbs. So it's just gonna give a flavor. Like I said, I don't want to have a super breading. Nice and easy. Okay. I'm gonna put it in the middle. I don't want to burn it too quick. And 20 minutes. We did it like 20 minutes and 450. And I switched it to very top because they weren't getting brown, but now they're brown in 5 minutes. I'm gonna switch them, flip them over, maybe another 5-6 minutes, and I'll finish off later. 1, 2, 3. I'm back. Ipek's Wicked Kitchen making a miracle dinner. Okay, my chicken cutlets are air fried in 20 minutes. So now we're gonna dress it up and we're gonna put it back and we're gonna finish them off. Some marinara sauce. I didn't even bother to take it out of the jar. So I'm just gonna, like a eyeball, doesn't matter, because chicken is already seasoned. So your sauce is just gonna enhance the flavor. Okay. And that's it. Voila. Marinara, Miss Marinara. So now we're gonna put some, I have about a cup. It might be too much, but let's give it a try. How much these chickens can handle the cheese. I don't know what we would do without the cheese if we didn't have cheese cooked. Okay. So now we're gonna go back again, 450 for 5 minutes. And I'm gonna put on top again, because we wanna, maybe not, you know why? I don't want the cheese burn, melted but not burn. Okay, 5 minutes. Here's our chicken Parmesan marinara.